Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So today we have a Stitch Fix, and I know what's in it because Stitch Fix came out where you can pick like 10 items or they show you 10 items and you can pick 5. Well, I only picked 1 and I didn't get it. So let's get into the fix. So if you're new to my channel, thank you. Please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, thank you. You know how much I appreciate you. So Stitch Fix, you know, you can get monthly whenever you want it. Annually, I get it. Like every time I turn around and return a fix, I get it. I don't know why, I just do. So it has the return bag, and it has the price sheet, and it has the note from my stylist. Now I've been getting Susie and she's been doing a great job, and I have her again, and I always read her note after. And I haven't been getting any bags or shoes or anything, I don't know why. And here's my bundle. It's a small bundle and it's a colorful bundle. Now last time she sent me a couple pairs of skirts and I liked them, but I only kept one because the one was like a burgundy, and to me burgundy in the summer just didn't make sense. So let's get in and see what she sent. And I know actually there were 2 items I wanted. I bought that blue shirt the last time and they had it in a gray. So I asked her to send me that because that shirt is so comfortable and it washed really nice. So I got it in gray, so I know it'll probably fit. And so that's the first thing. Let's see here. It's getting dark. And then I got this shirt by 41 Hawthorne, and it is called a split neck mixed material top. And of course my shirts are in large. And it looked super bright in the when I was looking at it online, but it actually isn't that bright now that it's here. And it's got this nice little back. So this actually might work out. And I had received this shirt before, so I don't know why I'm getting it again. And I actually sold it on the boards because I'm not a real yellow person. But here it is appearing again. And this is the Airy Flutter Sleeve Blouse in a large. But I'm just not crazy about yellow on me. And then there was this top, and it really kind of disappointed me when I saw it. It's a Market in Spruce, but you never know until you try something on. So this is what it looks like. It just looked kind of drab in the pictures, and it does have a pocket. I didn't notice that before, but when they just showed it in the pictures, it kind of looked drabby. But I will try it on. And then the last item is another skirt. And I'm not mad at it because I wore that skirt and I really loved it. It was comfortable. I got compliments on it, so I'm not mad that I got another one. And this is, I think they're calling it Bone. And it's a Canadian brand, and it's the tribal, tribal something. And it says flatten it, I'm not sure what that word is. But this is the back, and this is the front, and it is so comfortable. And then you This looks like these were stitched on the other one, but this is such a comfortable skirt. And I wasn't sure what color to pair it with, but I could probably pair it with even this orangey color. So I will be right back with the try-on. Okay, I am back with the Market & Spruce Elaine pocket short sleeve in navy. And as I said, the fit is great because I bought it in, what was the color? Wait a minute. I thought I bought it in the navy. This must be the dark gray. This is the Market & Spruce Elaine pocket short sleeve in the dark gray. Sorry about that. And it's a perfect length. And what's up? Pockets over here. And this is the one from Canada. So just a simple top. Very comfortable, very soft, and I said I washed the other one, and I washed it on delicate and just hung it up, and it didn't shrink, and there were no problems with it. So I will be right back with the next one. Okay, so this was confusing. This is the Market & Spruce Elaine pocket short sleeve in the navy. So it's almost like the other top, and it's got the pocket here. It's very comfortable, and this is the one that I wasn't really sure because it just looked blasé in the picture. I'll turn around. So it's just a throw-on shirt. You can wear it with, again, shorts, white shorts, blue jean shorts, jeans, and it is quite comfortable. And it fits good in the arms. So I'll be back with the next one. Okay, I am back with this yellow shirt, and I kind of totally have changed my mind on it. This is the Fun to Fun Airy Flutter Sleeve Blouse in yellow in a size large. So what do you think? It has, of course, the flutter sleeve, which is not something I would reach for because it just seems young for me, but it has this detail down the front. And again, yellow isn't a color I would normally wear because I have super white skin. But in the summer, I tan a little bit. So let me know what you think of this. Again, I wear mostly like blue jeans, and because of the print, I can't wear it with the skirts they've been sending me. I could wear it with white shorts or white pants, but let me know what you think. I do like it. It fits good in here, bra friendly. So let me know what you think. Again, this is not something that I would normally reach for. So I will be right back with that last outfit. Okay, I am back with the last outfit. And all I can say is I need some help. I am wearing I don't even know what this is, the 41 Hawthorne Zaria split neck mixed material in coral, and I have the tribal Elia mini skirt, and I also paired it with a pair of sandals that I got I think it was last year from Stitchfix, and I wore them for the first time yesterday. So here's the top. It's got the split neck, and I thought this was going to be such a bright top, and it isn't. And then it's got the mixed material on the back. I don't know if you can see it. It fits perfect. And I paired it, see if I can back with the skirt. And I'm thinking the skirt might be a little too tight, but if I order the neck size up, it might fit good because of the way it sucks in. So let's see if you can see the whole thing. I'm gonna push it back. Try not to get this motorcycle in the way. So let's see. I'm just loving the top, and it's such a great color. And here's the skirt. I'll turn around so you can see it, but I'm not sure if it's like too tight back here. And see if you can see the shoes. Let me move you down a little bit. Get that motorcycle in my way. But I want to knock it over if I hold on to it. But here's the shoes. And I said I got them last year, and I think it goes great with the outfit. Now that the keyboard's in the way, you can see them. But I'm just loving getting these skirts. I wish they came in like just a plain blue or a light blue, but they're so comfortable to wear. And I just have to know if the skirt is just, it's tight in here, but because I wear the top over it, but I'm afraid once that, I'll wash them hand cold and dry them. So I will be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back. Trying on clothes can be so exhausting. So let's do the recap. I am thinking of keeping this, but getting it in the size 10. This is a Canadian brand, so I'm thinking maybe they just run small. So that's going to be my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. So I'm going to size up in this. Hopefully they have my size. So I do like it, and that retails for $54, and I don't think that's a bad price. The yellow top, I do like it. I think it's a great summer top. I like the detailing, and I'm okay with the little ruffles. It's a great vacation top. And that retails for $40. So Stitch Fix pricing and not so bad. And then let's talk about this polka dot top that there was no way I was even try it on according to the picture. But I do like it, and I'm kind of liking these little pockets here. They just kind of break it up a little bit. And again, the tops are all, excuse me, a size large. And they're calling that the navy, and that's a Market and Spruce, and that is $30. So a great price. And then we have the Market and Spruce in the size large, and this is the Elaine pocket. And these are so comfortable, easy to wash. As I said, I wash mine on delicate cold, and I hang them up, and then I just use my little steamer to get the wrinkles out. And that was $28. So the total price of this fix was $194. So a fix under $200. And then the buy all discount was $48.50, which brings it down to $145 for a fix, really? And of course the shipping's free, and I think the tax is around $13. So it'll probably come out to about, I don't know, $158. So I need your help. Is it a buy all? I just have to make sure that they have that scored in the 10. And I just love the t-shirts, and again, that was the priciest thing at $54. So please help me. I'm gonna do an extension so I get your feedback. So thank you so much for watching. You guys have an awesome day. Leave comments below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll talk to you soon.